Hello, this is a tutorial from LKS ASE on in-field searching, using MEDLINE from EBSCO as an example. If you know the two-letter code for the field you want to search for, such as AB for abstract, you can incorporate that into your search. If you have more than two keywords, remember to put them in parentheses. So if we search for paramedic and decision, we can see in the results that we find paramedic and decision in the abstract. Looking in the abstract field, you can see that both words are present. If we do that search again, we can also choose abstract from the pull-down menu on the right-hand side of the screen. Again, if we look in the abstract, you'll see that both words are present. You can do the same search again using the title field. In this case, the two-letter code for title is TI. So we search for TI paramedic star, which gets the different versions of the word paramedic in the title field. And if you look at the search results, you will see paramedic, paramedicine, and paramedics are all present in the title field of the articles we find. If we'd like to do that with the pull-down menu, simply type our keyword and choose title field from the right-hand pull-down menu. And you will see from the results that it achieves exactly the same outcome. You can contact LKS ASE at library@nwas.nhs.uk.